Hey, what's up guys? Serge here. So Samsung has revealed their Q4 2017 earnings on Wednesday and they showed record profits. Thanks to Galaxy Note 8 for that. Since none of us really cares about earning reports, so let's move to the main point. The company said in its earning report that they are working on foldable display. They clearly mentioned that as for the mobile business, Samsung will continue its efforts to differentiate its smartphones by adopting cutting-edge technologies such as foldable OLED display. This is the third time when Samsung mentioned foldable OLED displays. These displays will be different from the flexible displays that Samsung currently uses in their premium Galaxy lineup. According to a report, foldable Samsung phone will sport a 7.3-inch flexible OLED panels when unfolded. Although Samsung did not confirm that if they will be putting these displays to their own mobile phones, but we expect that Galaxy 10 will be sporting it. Now we all are willing to know that how these devices will look like. These are some illustrations for a better visual. So that's it for today. Tell me what you think about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.